Websites today rely on static chatbots that can't see what you see, can't take action, and feel lifeless. We built an interactive 3D avatar that lives on your website. It talks to you in real time, sees your screen, navigates for you, and finds what you're looking for. Powered by Gemini Live API and Gaussian splatting. Let me show you. Hi there.
Hello, I'm Nix, your AI shopping assistant. How can I help you find today?
Can you tell me something about TechVault?
TechVault is a curated online store for premium hardware and gadgets, focused on selecting the best products for their catalog. Is there anything specific you'd like to know?
Can you tell me something about this product?
The Nike AI Max is a pair of footwear for $120.
Can you show me the back of the shoe? I would like to see it from the side.
You should see the site now.
Can you take me to the contact form? Can you help me fill it up?
I can't fill out forms for you, but I can help if you have questions about it.
What should I select for inquire type?
It depends on your question. Are you asking about pricing, features, or something else?
Can you show me the shipping plans in a table?
Here are your options for shipping.
That's amazing! I just made a purchase.
Congratulations on the purchase. I've scrolled you back to with that.